Buenos días, estudiantes. This is Ms. Gonzalez. I'm going to explain to you what you need to do on September 16th because that day I'm not going to be with you. So I want that you work on some assignments during the class time, during your period. Okay. So you are going to go to Canvas, Honors Spanish 1. You then go to Modules, and you will find an assignment called Friday class, September 16. You go there and you will find this information. You need to download this document and you need to start working on all the activities that are presented there. For the activities that require screenshots, add them here inside of the Word document. I don't want that you send me something else in a different part. No. And when you finish everything, you are going to submit your Word document with the answers here in this space, okay? And I want that you work individually. This is an individual assignment and you can check your notes. And you need to submit this assignment today, September 16, at the end of your period, okay? Here in this space. If you don't finish, submit what you have, okay? I'm going just to accept this until 4 p.m. This is the deadline, okay? So I really want that you work during your period. That will tell me that you were working, that you were following instructions. So once that you download this document in your computer, basically you are going to go to this. You are going to see this. Of course, you write your name here. I already wrote the period. And this assignment has 5 parts. The first one is el alfabeto, because here we are going to practice all these topics. In the alfabeto, you are going to visit this website and you are going to listen to the letters of the alphabet and you are going to write them down in the website. When you finish, you are going to send a screenshot like this here, okay? In that way, I can see how much you get correct. So let's go to this website to let you know what you need to do. So you wait, you click here, start.
S.
And you write the letter here, S, the next. X, and continue. There are 30 letters. When you finish, you send a screenshot here, okay, something like this. Now, the second part of the alphabet, you are going to listen to the name of 3 people, and you are going to type them in the website, this one, and when you finish, you are going to send a screenshot with the results. So let's go here. Sometimes with this website, you need to be patient. Let's see, you need to scroll down. If it doesn't appear immediately, so just wait. So you click the audios, you listen to the names, and then you are going to type the names. For example, let's try this one. Oops.
Número 1. Me llamo Esteban. E. S. T. E.
So he said he is spelling the name. So you write the whole name here. When you finish, you scroll down a little. You click here in finish. You check my answers, and this is basically the screenshot that you need to take. And of course I got 0, but you are going to get the highest score, that is 10. Okay, and you add this screenshot here. The second part, saludos y despedidas, farewells and greetings. You are going to scramble the Spanish greetings below. So basically I already helped you with this one. So you unscramble and ta-da, it was hola. Do the same for the rest of this. Now here you are going to translate the English greetings farewells to Spanish. I don't want that you answer these questions. Por favor, no. I don't want that you answer this question. What I want is that you translate, okay? For example, hello. I'm going to help you with this one. It's hola, okay? Same for the rest one. The third part is personal information, información personal. What I want is that you here answer the question in complete answers, using your information, of course, in Spanish. For example, ¿cómo te llamas? You are going to write something like, me llamo María. The whole thing. I don't want that you just say María. No. The whole thing. The same for the rest. The fourth part is Spanish-speaking countries from South America. So you are going to do these activities here in this website, and then when you finish, you send a screenshot here with the results. So let's go. So start. You can practice before that you start the game. You practice, for example, this is Venezuela, this is Colombia, etc. Then you click here, play. And which one is Colombia? You need to click in the one that is Colombia. Woo, for example, Colombia is this one. Then you continue with Paraguay. Which one is Paraguay? You click, and that's it. Números grandes, large numbers. You are going to listen to 30 numbers. and you are going to write them down in letters and in digits. So you watch this video, and there you are going to listen to some numbers. You are going to write them in order. For example, the first number is going to be here. Let's say if you listen something like 15, it means 15. So you write 15 in digits and in numbers, in letters, like this, okay? And the rest, with the rest of the 30 numbers. Okay, that's it. That's all your assignment for September 16th. Please do it. I hope that this video helped you to understand what you need to do to clarify some doubts. And remember to send it at the end of the period. Hopefully you finish everything. And adios, adios.